What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. This is the second part to the other unboxing you've seen, and I will give the same warning again. I apologize if this is June's box, and I like I said, I was told, and I've tried to find other boxes, but it's kind of scattered. So I'm just gonna roll right into this. I was told that this was the July box by Dick's. We'll see. So enjoy. All right. So, like the other one, I've already got this tab right here cut just to save on time, because I've done boxes where I sit there and mess with it. I'm getting faster at these unboxings. I should probably slow it down for time reasons, but I don't like taking forever either. There's a wet spot. Wonder what that means. Sorry, like a greasy spot. Alright. Hey, this is a pretty cool sticker, actually. I like that sticker. This fish jamming out. That's a pretty dope sticker. What's inside? I don't want to know. You got your dibbles. I never really read these. This actually might answer my question on like what the date is for this box. It doesn't. Actually, it just says how to tighten up. It's like the same one they put in every one of them. Alright, so just to start out, right on the top, we got a Guggen clutch. This one has a rattle in it. I think I have this one maybe in a smaller size. I might have this one exactly. Sexy Shad. I have a lot of issues with the Guggen baits. Nothing personal. I just like when I'm using them, they tend to break fairly easy. I don't know why, but yeah. But yeah, this is a good. Sexy Shad's a classic color, really, for bass baits. You really can't go wrong with that. So it's a sinking, obviously. Depth or length is 2.5. Weight 1/2 ounce. This is like deep fishing. But lipless are kind of more like a spring wintry bait, but they work good in the summer too. Ooh, some offset hooks again, or just worm hooks. Ultra lock. Soft plastics, 4/0 mustad. You know, I've been thinking about tying some bass flies with these like EWG style hooks, and I might use these for it. Mustad makes great hooks, so yeah. What do we got? Yeah. Heavy metal tungsten finesse football jig, 100% lead free, 90% pure tungsten. That's actually a really nice jig, actually. This premium lead-free finesse football jig is best used on sand, gravel, rock, and other bottom hard surfaces. The smaller profile and lighter hook makes this jig ideal when fishing shallow water than 10-foot or when using lighter gear. Huh. Can't read today. Actually, I like the way that eyelid's set up, if you can see that there. I don't know if you can. It just kind of like stands up straight on it. You can kind of see it right there. That's the way it stands up on it. That's actually really cool. I kind of want to get this out and look at it. I usually don't take the baits out during unboxings, but this one I actually find pretty cool. If I can get out easy enough. Okay. That is pretty easy to get out. Ah! Don't get away from me now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that does have a really good feel to it. It's all weight forward. It's all weight forward right here. You know, sometimes you can feel a little weight with the hook, but no, 100% of the weight right here. That is a super lightweight hook, and the skirt feels really high texture. Wow, this is a really nice. I'm gonna have to look up this brand, Heavy Metal Tungsten, because this is an awesome jig. It looks like it's a PB&J color. What is the color on it? Yeah, PB&J. PB&J. It's a good dark water jig. Yeah, wow. Actually, I'm going to toss this guy to the side just because of how cool that jig is. I'm going to look those up later. And they gave us some trailers for it. Some Excite baits. This looks like a crawl style. High floater, huh? Let's take a look at that. Excite baits, it's out of Texas. Doesn't really give a color. I mean, it's obviously green pumpkin. I don't need a paper, a label to tell me that. was hoping it might give a little more info about it. But I'm feeling them right now. They do have like a floaty type feel to it, almost kind of like some Elastec stuff from Z-Man. That's pretty cool. Those will probably work good on that jig. Ooh, more Biospawn. I love Biospawn. I love it, love it, love it. Ribbon tail. You know, I'm not the most experienced with ribbon tail worms, but I love swimtail grubs, or the ribbon tail grubs, whatever you want to call them. And this is pretty cool because this is just like the body of their stick baits. I absolutely love their stick baits. And this is a really good color too, this blue flaky thing. It's called Electric Blue, Black and Blue. You can definitely see that. It does have like kind of like an electric kind of type oceany feel to it. I don't think I could use it for saltwater, but and it's apparently enhanced with bioscent. That is freaking cool, man. Well, that was what we got out of that. So we got, I guess that's, oh, I guess it's not that. I guess that's where that came from. The stain there. Maybe it's not scented with anything now. Well, we got some Biospawn ribbon tails. We got some Excite green pumpkin craws. We got some nice Mustad worm hooks, 4/0. We got a old Guggen clutch, and we got this heavy metal football jig, which I have right here, which I'm about to just go play with because that's just cool. I really like this jig actually. Well, yeah. Okay, guys, that was that unboxing for the standard box. Like I said, I'm not really sure about the months on it. I'll try to figure it out and like post something more relevant towards it or what. A lot of cool baits and stuff in those. But that's really all I got. I got a lot of fishing videos up lately, and probably more coming. Some salmon fishing coming up, hopefully. Just stay tuned and like, subscribe. I really appreciate all of it, and go leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.